Now as we see, from second row it's showing all the values as 0, so this is not working in this case. So what is the actually problem here? That is, it is working, actually the logic is same, like for this 0 output, like here in this first row we are multiplying this h2. Okay, h2, that means this one, we are multiplying in for this first row we are multiplying e2, this e2 and h1, right? Okay, so for this second row we are multiplying e3 and h2, so that means whenever it moves down it also changes its like reference value, right? Like when it is fourth row, it will changes its value to e4 and h3. So we know we only give the value of h1, but in h2 and others, in other value in other cells of h column is nothing or is empty or will be count as 0. So that's why any number is multiplying with 0 will be 0, right? So that's why it's showing us a 0. So in this case we just need to made a small change into our formula, like we need to fix this cell, or we need to like use a dollar sign. So this dollar sign will fix this row. That means whenever a new cell will like whenever it moves down, it changes its position to it will only changes the position, like here now if we add dollar sign before 1. Okay, so now that means this first h1, that means this cell, this first cell is fixed. That means from now when this first row changes like move down to this in this third row, that means this e the column will like changes its position as before, like here e3, right? But in this case this h this position will not be changed because it is fixed. We did it by using a dollar sign. Okay, now we'll do the same thing, like here we'll drag this till the last row. Okay, and here now this formula is worked, right?